What?
I'm not ready. We're playing past it. We're playing past it. What is that? No, you gotta get on the floor.
Oh no.
Come on, babe, get into it.
Oh, what is
Let's sing along. You getting one?
You're
Like JR's the coach.
But I'm listening to him. Like, why am I singing along?
Hi, buddy.
Why am I looking so serious? I'm trying so hard to be good.
Because I'm not following it right, and it's annoying me.
So basically, you get the butt of a black girl and just not the rhythm.
Oh, Max.
I hung on to it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Look at that stuff on your foot so you don't win.
What did he
Stop
do?
videotaping me.
No.
Is that app where it shoots it
Did you
right
get
to-
that one?
Is that app that puts it right on YouTube?
Live streaming right on YouTube.
Yeah.
Titled Crust Dance Party.
Oh, I can do this one.
Oh, he's so tired.